Me hungry, man.
Something about that if you're hungry. Me hungry too, you know?
But me hungry, me not tell me hungry. For a man, you give me one stick sweet, me think of it sweet, not more than. But look how much, what time? What 10 o'clock a man, you know? Me hungry, man.
Listen. If you suck the sweetie and drink water, I'm telling you, because you have to understand, say, we do rough time now. What we do it if you're hungry and me hungry? What we do?
You know, say you work.
We just got work now. Something to do.
How much money will you work already there?
Me not get paid yet.
You're lying, you know? You know, some people about my business. But no. Should me tell us that me can't breathe, you pop big bread for me?
No, but you will know.
I know, me hungry.
When we at the dance, and you see me a floss, right? And you come over to me, think say me a chopper, me a floss, and me a tell you, you will know. I'm a humble youth. You don't know where they take up. Say we are going to go through separation time. Things go on, but you have some faith in me. Every time you say you're hungry this, you never get up on money yet. I'm going to try to boil some breadfruit in there, you know. Boil up the breadfruit and wash it down with salt.
Me don't want that, you know, good for your baby.
Baby not even start develop yet.
Fruits, and that's why I tell us I want to develop good. Some fruits, like a crushed Irish, grape, apple, fern apple in the Jamaica one. And then something there, mango.
Hear me I say to you. The picnic must burn like how we are suffer if we come in a separation in a full spread. Me not pretty up nothing. So if him get happy for eating, him get anything get yummy, he will take him with satisfied. If I my picnic, I saw him go grow. Anything we have, that him get. What we go do? Kill yourself. Me go up and do the work on me, brush your teeth and do the work. No way I suck myself. You understand? Big girl sweet if you suck. So you're not supposed to suck up nothing else. Stop sucking my teeth. Me not like it.
You know, so my mother did right. My mother said, don't pick up a man who around you because that's sin.
Your mother wrong because she should have pick up a rich man, make you have money.
My mother, they have things. They do have things, but you take me out of me yard. The things that they going to mind me, I know, say me live with man. And man, they in me whole day, whole night.
Hear me, I say no. You see, them are workless people if they don't take care of yourself. Because end of the day, if you come out with something good, they take credit for you. Now you're there, are you there with a good man, I'm poor and whatever, then we still help yourself because you're still them picnic. But what you going to go on?
You make me disrespect my parents for you because me say me love blind by love. I know all of this. The things that I look good, I might pray too. I go back in, go beg them, work up, step up, be a man, and maybe just get some things to eat.
You know what I go do? I go ensure say I look at work for you before the belly starts showing up. You can't walk until the belly reaches a month. Now, if you say go sing and limb up yourself, you know, you have to get up. You say you're a strong young girl, you have to go walk.
This pregnancy, you give me bad feeling and weakness. Me can't do nothing at all. So that's just me and me or suffer.
Maybe can't consider that, man. You have two tongues, we can't the argument.
Yeah, go trust it over the shop when you go and
if you think you're bad, go trust it.
I'm not chatting with you.
If you think you're bad, go trust it and make my name look like me the words. Think you're bad. Go and shop, go trust. Alright, we don't chat, you know. Yeah? Yes, bossy. I'll get my ready for forward work now. Must say something coming a little bit late today, no, because I have something today now. Alright, may I come right now, may I come? Come here. Come here, see you. Let's work right now. Just calm. You know, soon come. You can't still love you or no.
Which love you? No, no love no when me hungry. Go on with your business.
I'm going to go.
Me hungry, me tell you. Right up and have me about your sleep. Sir! But you see, you must trust me one macaroni and cheese. And 2 frankfurter. And 1 ginger beer juice. The bigger ginger beer.
And ginger beer.
Me don't want that one, me say.
Oh,
You
you
know,
want
nice. They want to tell me say I cheap this morning, but you know, nice to me. Thanks.
Oi! Go up. Action. No matter. Good man. Things gonna change. We get a little promotion. For a long time I do the yard boy work, but the boss is a illegal type of sourcing one and making money. So because him pull me in. You see that briefcase here? I have some things in it, right? See that I have chain and key and padlock money? You have a gold lock money?
Who you tell me that for?
Listen now. You go stay here, come up back at work like everything normal. Call the boss and
Stay where?
huh?
Where?
What put your hand on the bed?
You're mad, man.
So what you listen man? What you do? You stay in here so listen man, you hear me?
No, if anything happen, make the police come for you or people come for you.
You want to go on here then? You want to go back home? I'm going to come stay and watch it? Because the money you going to get her now. You know, long, me I work with them. At the first light, me see Paul could go on and out. So listen up. I put it under the bed and you guard like a security. Nobody now come there. So why? You say like a yard dirty football, then go tell me I have them merchandise. Never. They now come and look for this. That matter.
You watch your son, I don't love money.
But you may say no. Yeah, boss is hungry for a man. Anything you trust, we can't pay for. Because never piece of money with boss, I will give it. So you may say no, but put it on my bed. Don't make nobody touch it. Them can boss him for questioning. But this is when I host them. I want. Hello. You want left fan ya? You want back in my yard? When anything me say, you just make it go. No question me. Because when the money start make, and so you go on happy and you go on buy Remy, hairstyle out tight, you go on buy your bleaching and all of them shit there. And this it take what you take and you go do what you do. No question me come. I'm here
and you breed me?
I mean to talk about. Why do you wine panny then? Why do you wine panny? If you never want it, why do you wine panny so? When sweet you never dare say nothing do. Listen man, life go nice. So stop shut yourself and kiss your teeth so. I don't buy a Colgate, man. Brush your teeth to me, but I kiss your teeth. Don't ramp me, no, man. Pastor, make that stand up. What you think say the politician going to politics for? What you think say the lawyer go to school go do college work for? What you think say the pastor go preach every Sunday day for? Money. So if where people go work for in the first place? Where you think say the hungry this man because lack of money? No, we make some money now, don't ramp me. But no! But
if
no!
trouble they catch big shot, you don't let them make the money and say I work for big shop. And big shot could help you out every time in the month. I mean, I must say I give money, think about it. When ain't a problem, he call the poorest man to bail him out. But he made that give nothing.
Alright. So what you must do? Give thanks for trouble. Thank you, trouble. With trouble can't over now. Give thanks for trouble and problem. Now we are fixing it. You must go to work because we have to make it seem like it's a regular day. So if police come and question, everything
you
normal.
know me good when me tell lies. So you can't tell me if nothing come here and police run him, you just tell him say he kidnapped me and me all along over here. Me glad you not even use phone.
Come here, man.
Hey, don't upset me. Better you just go on here, man.
Why they say when people
You're just fool. Actually, no poor people fool, you know?
Stop it, bro. You know what say? You don't understand life. You stop suck breast too early. This is real life. I don't know more no other life, you know. And I know say I work for a better Jamaica, you know. And I work every budget. Guess I'll kill you because of lack of money. Yes. But no things got change. I want you to accept the change and don't play me, you know. Because you know, see you look a friend when you want me, and you push up yourself. You push up yourself, you know. I saw come and get knocked down, you look a friend when you want me. And you overrun hard. And you're there now. Give thanks to there and let us make some money. Don't play with me.
But you go and work to go and talk about your friend right there, so you know. You see me do that one?
Yes, I am.
Fool.
Manda,
Manda. You don't come in here and knock the door. What could I call you?
so no man as me have, at least me not can come in.
Oh, you have no paper bag, I see you come beg.
No man, a bar me I come from.
You don't have money, you go to a bar.
I mean I can go bar, go get a drink, man. I trust you and tell him to put it on Hosey bill, you know?
You are living life, do I?
You know must, Hosey will pay.
You know, so I'm not too full on the drinking still.
Come on, may I celebrate, man, we're friends.
Made life. Celebrate what? What will you celebrate? Broke life?
Friendship. I ain't no friend for a long time. You move so strong. Up the cup now, man. You move so slow. Up the cup, man. Up the cup. Alright. Come. No put too much. Don't put too much in for me, man. How do you mess her up? Alright. Cheers. Somebody's son got to pay. Cut this man.
Oh, you're brave, so.
Yeah, work, man. Son.
Come and celebrate big old broke life.
Samantha.
Never see a lady without a turn. Me no see a sit there. No, man.
I'll put back that one here.
So you like sweet me up, take what me have.
No, man, nobody knows me. I'm a friend, so I have to check up her.
Me not look like that again. Lock up the place. Lock up me.
Not like what? You don't know me I look for. Suppose me I work with the narco department and I take the bomb and drugs. That me.
You take me sweet. You love sweet. So what you say live with man? You can't live so for young girl.
I don't look a perfume, man.
Me don't have you. See me walk up and down a search up people place up.
Ain't never smell me.
Yeah, I'll take out your mouth and me. Come. Come on, let's take out sweet me up people and everything there. Oh, sit down man and talk about different things.
Alright.
Let us in me place.
So how you and your man are going?
Man not even too like when you come here and search up my place. Can you see you beg too much? I don't know good style.
Not do me so strong, man. You do me so strong.
All the way you come with your pity thighs.
See no fun in here. You can't open the curtain.
Let's see.
Oh, that's round this so.
Let's see. Jesus Christ.
So me can't look.
Talk about the future, that we fear talk about.
Yeah, my sister bite me.
Come on, our top search of the place.
Mosquito bite me, you can't control them.
Catch you can just come and people place and behave so.
Back them up now.
You know what I'm saying? You go start lock the door.
I'm lucky for you. May I tell you that? Drink now. Tap, man, drink. Somebody's son got to pay.
Christ, my man, tell me about you.
The place hot in, man.
No, so like you about you little rum sweet. Me tell you something I like you what you get up like you do with enough style.
I'm mosquito the me lock up.
What me do?
That
If the place get breeze, I don't know, say must something do take in breeze.
Ooh, the breeze feel nice. Mosquito bite me again.
This is it. You watch the TV or the girl them a go and good from Jamaica?
Me say, I'm going to tell you. Come now. Somebody's son got to pay.
Nice, man.
So I go and pay a man. I don't tell about your man. Me have to say I don't tell him.
When you come here, just step on me man case, just a hack about me man. Me man don't even like you and hacks about him.
Alright, come, drink up.
Me a drink, man.
Drink no man. You want you cool down, you're hot. Too hot. What you look like you're giddy, sir?
You know, so me carry the man to drink, you know. So you're my friend and me. Can't drink around here. If you see me doze off, you just
Pull up your door. I know what to do.
pull up your door for me.
Don't worry yourself, man. Go sleep.
When you way out, you know, not in. I'm better sleep here. Because I know my man see you.
You look tired. Go and go sleep. Bye, baby.
What's wrong with you?
Me nice.
I thought touch me, man. Because I don't like woman like that. That is it.
Okay. Right there.
So, stop taking light in my eye, man.
Babes, how you do?
Uy. I'm here drink drop and make that take up in.
Oh,
You
yeah.
put him back good.
Yes, job. So you smell a rum, so?
However man there may come from. Me
Yeah.
say,
Ah.
the girl upon one piece of
I only
drinking.
hope and I look at money me I try see if you drink out in
No.
Oh.
No man. Amanda, he say her stress and him a drink. So me I say to him say, you cannot drinking now will get over your stress. Tell him say he not fi deal with the drinking because that can't solve him problem and he know say his stomach no good.
Oh, but still, no people drink because of stress, but me not go drink any more turning a coffee, is it?
Achoo.
Because you see where we in right now, it don't make no sense.
True, you know. Me come in and me had me want one big old mansion. You can't keep friend with some big old rich people, where you can take money from, not borrow, because rich people don't lend money. Then we give you the money, you understand? So we can better the place, clear. See all the bedhead that shake every night. We there at the bedhead not stop knock and wake up all the neighbor them. The curtain them want change. In your hat, the little piece of furniture get a dust. You have no use. More AC life. You know, some brown and pretty.
Listen me, you have to thank God for what we're there right now. Time will come and we have a mansion, who's know? Remember, you know, some people are sleep all under zinc.
Some people are sleep under zinc, but me never born to sleep under zinc. Me never born in a board house, you know. When my mother carry me home, go for me daddy big old mansion. He used to laugh sometimes. Sometimes she left me in one room and me a cry. And she don't know
Look
which
on this
part
now.
to
Look
cry
on
in.
this. Alright. Alright. You're right, you know. Don't worry, we'll find some big shot people, you see me? So we can get our money and even start off the foundation and we work together. But anyway, stop left the yard and go about your business and me not know where they. You know me they have I lay down a fret, you know.
You worry about me and left yard too much. You can't argue with me. So everything you argue about, me put close pan line you argue. Me left yard you argue. Yeah, woman, how much tongue you born with? And me supposed to argue because I'm born with more than one tongue. You chat too much more wild man. You have to be a big man. Not look for me either.
Actually too pretty. Anyway, I'm hungry still, you know, so
You look like you're talking my language.
I'll cook some chicken foot. Curry chicken foot, you know. We're tired of chicken back now. This guy must go and buy some chicken foot.
I didn't sit there make you get bonus man. Babes, $300 babes.
Make it work. Make it work at 2 away. Make it work. How you try if you do? You think a steak or lobster? Make it work.
Come and talk about make it work. You see, anyhow you come back and you don't see nothing. I work me make it work. You hear me? Mean man. Born me out you.
Well, you go give me. You go give me. You want to see why not have this steak?
Like that.
Sure.
They take it serious.
Sure.
Like they take it serious though, you know?
No, some kill up the place, be I mean up the place.
Alright. The virgin, what them do them let him out. So he's supposed to come back with him. Okay, we'll do that, no? Why something there? Stop run, yo, get up no man. Stop run joke with me no man. Put a wait for me no man.
Where what?
This one put on my bed. Yes sir. What me tell you for watch? Where there?
It under there.
Where? Me not blind. Come on look.
Go up under the wall. I mean alone in there, I know and then catching you. Come on, guys.
Me not talk about that, you know. Me not talk about catching or whatever. Where the briefcase there with the people them things. That me talk about.
Be catching you, come over. Look man, go under the bed, go look at it. You have to look first.
Did I put on my bed, put it right dust and tell us to keep the place lock and stay in here? Where the thing there?
Catching you, come over. They must catching God with it. Where you come back after me for? Me need to tell you already so I make you stay in here.
Oh, so you can catch him and put it down?
No. How much you take up with that ear one now with a drink with the liquor sign and you look like, you know me head kind of like, I'm thinking about it. Me wake up and now I don't see him and she did a good stand with me.
You know, see no sense of it?
Do you want, look
Watch
man.
out, watch out, my phone on ring. Yo, you
Look
see
now.
this man? Oh, what go on, bossy? Mama, me have man, me I can come. Me no opinion. Me a father now. Yeah man. Alright. Yo, I people know that you know?
Tell us something, yeah. I must catch him now with it what me. Because me not go nowhere, you know, so me not normally go nowhere, don't go nowhere.
You know, see now he's the head. Girl. No, turn up and talk to me about you know. Right now, you need to go find whoever you make take it some water, yeah?
I catch you that one friend.
So go on feed it, come and need it now. Go for it.
And I go up there, go on up there to him, and then him man up there. I can't manage that. Him man up there, and he next to stop them. I want to throw them.
I lose you want to lose the baby?
I don't mean to tell them I don't want to lose the baby. Throw them out of the
If I lick your hey, go feed the people them. Oh, I think a drug business. I not joke business that. I think a gal business that. Eh? Get up now and go for what? Me left right here so come now go look for you.
Baby, nah, go
Hello. Me like I talk too much, you know? Get up and go on. Get up and go on.
Catherine! 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 Hey, come here. What kind of weird? You're in a lady and me a call you. What people am sitting there? Where your briefcase there?
What's briefcase there, sir?
Girl, where your briefcase?
Me not have no briefcase. Look, no, look. Me not have no briefcase.
Me not search your place. Me know say you took up here. Uncle somebody come there. Nobody no come at me yard. Cause they know me man Tana. Yeah, uncle somebody come there. So just give me your briefcase and me go.
You say and your man alone come here. Then no must see your man take up here and gone with it.
You don't come there and I ask me feet.
Man a thief. They will take things and ask for.
Man a thief. You
After.
know my man, you know. He might not have it, you know. But he full of pride and himself. He not do nothing wrong and make me and blame me feet, you know. So you will just let go your briefcase and make me go.
I know me suppose your man friend them come for it then.
You know
He no
so-
like when your friend come, but he will like when film friend come watch football. You can't say I like him, see with me eye.
You see the one who make man box up, you know? No friend no come over there, the man friend can't come over there come run certain joke. You know, say a drugs man briefcase with them things in it. You know that though, and them, when they come feed me, I send them over your yard. So take out it, where they then?
I know, alright, I'm me.
So where they give me, make me go on.
What do you call the man take it gone?
What you mean your man take it gone?
They came with me now.
What your man take it people in briefcase?
Oh, if you know me, I call him, I can't get him. Take time with me now.
Catching.
Hmm?
You swear if people them come to me, come in and everybody kill me, me too young, you know?
No, but they kill you, no. They kill you. Me too young for dead.
Me I send them over your yard and tell them say your thief in man remove the briefcase coming and make them kill me.
No, tell me man thief you know me.
You are gonna find out. You are gonna find out. That's enough. It touches everything. You go and people that you search up them place for no reason.
But me did I put in a safekeeping?
Your mama never tell us if you look with your eye under your hand. You take up the people them things. Fine, you know.
Save me now.
Fine, you know.
Talk to your man.
Because
please.
you me I send talk to me man poor and dry shit in him. Mr. Party.
So where you get it from? Where you get it from for having?
High place when you walk on a drugs man one and they want it. So me then a long chattings with you.
So put me in a drugs to them now.
No.
Some man that come back now, come at me work out something now.
Fine, cause I got me gone. Remember that.